Sure, bafethu tusikanjani here. So guys, we're gonna be hitting road trip, and we're gonna be using the one and only Ford EcoSport. Okay guys, gonna be hitting a road trip to Jozi. What's very important to know is that we're gonna be bringing detail to detail about the road trip, things that you need to know when you're hitting a road trip, things if you want to know about Ford EcoSport, guys. So guys, it's very important to share this page so that you can subscribe. If you know someone who likes taking, especially women are scared of taking like a longer distance, so longer distance things they need to know about when you're hitting long distance trips. So guys, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you haven't shared this page or this video, please share it. Let them know that there is my Maluma Bashana on YouTube. Someone who's gonna be speaking, who are gonna be taking a longer video, guys, with Ford EcoSport. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please share. I see the views, numbers don't lie. Don't just skip my video. Please like and share, even commenting, guys. You know, guys, like share to your YouTube channel, share to your friends, share to your sister, to your brother. Share, guys, share.